Are you thinking about selling your home in the very heart of New York City, Manhattan? In a city where real estate is as iconic as the skyline, navigating the sales process can feel like a challenging task. But fear not, with the right strategies and a dash of insider knowledge, you can turn your house into a hot commodity that will have buyers clamoring at your door. And yes, when I say the right strategies, I mean a step-by-step process to make your home selling journey a breeze, even in the busiest place in America. So stay tuned to take a look at this home selling guide in Manhattan so that you can pave your path step by step towards a successful home sale. Hi, my name is Radhika Kapoor and I am a licensed real estate agent and an interior designer based right here in the most iconic borough of Manhattan, New York. Join me to dive into the world of Manhattan real estate and discover the secrets to the successful sale. From preparing your home to shine like a diamond to crafting a marketing plan that will make your listing the talk of town. I'll guide you every step of the way. So follow these steps for successful and a quick selling of your home in Manhattan this year. Initial consultation. First thing, give me a call for your comprehensive analysis of your needs, wants, and desires. Selling your home lightly, your most valuable asset, requires open and honest communication. Together, we'll discuss everything from your timeline to your financial goals to ensure we tailor our approach specifically to you. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire selling process, ensuring we are perfectly aligned from the start. Clean and declutter. Now let's tackle the cleanliness and the organization of your home. Remember, less is more. A clean, uncluttered space not only feels welcoming, but also allows potential buyers to envision themselves living in the space. Deep clean every nook and corner and cranny, declutter counters and shelves, and depersonalize the space to appeal to the broader audience. This step can significantly influence the buyer's first impression and can make your home stand out in the competitive Manhattan market. Make necessary repairs. Before listing your home, ensure that everything is in working order, from major systems like heating and cooling to minor repairs like leaky faucets or squeaky doors. Addressing these issues beforehand can increase the value of your home and prevent hiccups during the sale process. Buyers are often looking for homes that are move-in ready, and making necessary repairs can make your property more appealing. Neutral colors. In today's market, the aesthetic appeal of your home can make a huge difference. So painting your home wall in neutral colors helps create a blank canvas for buyers, allowing them to project their vision and decor into the space. Gone are the days when vibrant and personalized colors were in. Today, simplicity reigns supreme, especially in a sophisticated market like Manhattan. Enhance curb appeal first. Impressions are everything, and the exterior of your home is the first thing a potential buyer will see. Enhance your curb appeal by maintaining the landscaping, planting blooming flowers, and removing any dead plants or weeds. These small touches can drastically boost the attractiveness of your property, making it stand out from the rest. Smart staging. Staging your home smartly can significantly impact how quickly it sells and for how much. Use minimum furnishings and decor to highlight the space's potential without overwhelming. This goes back to the principle of less is more. If you want to showcase the best aspects of your home while keeping it neutral and appealing. High quality photos and 3D tours in digital age. Your home's online presence is crucial. Invest in high quality photography and 3D tours to create an engaging and immersive online listing experience. These resources allow potential buyers to get a detailed view of your property from anywhere in the world, broadening your market and increasing your chances of finding the right buyers. Effective marketing. Remember, 98% of the sales effort are about marketing your home effectively. Your listing isn't just a listing, it's an advertisement. The key factors that sells a home are location, price, condition, and online presentation. We focus on creating compelling, wide-reaching marketing campaigns that highlight these elements to attract serious buyers. Cash offers and pre-sale fixes. If you receive any cash offers, it's crucial to consider them seriously as they can expedite the selling process. Additionally, there are any major fixes needed. Consider addressing them before listing your home to avoid delays and to appeal to a broader range of buyers. Now, here's a bonus tip that you'll love. For those looking to sell in Manhattan now and in the future, timing can be everything. Consider the market trends and seasonal fluctuations. Typically, spring and fall are the hottest seasons for real estate in Manhattan. So timing your sale during these periods could result in a quicker sale and potentially higher offers. Always stay informed with the latest market data and work with a knowledgeable realtor who understands the nuances of the Manhattan real estate market. So in a nutshell, selling your home is a journey that involves careful planning, smart staging, and effective marketing. By following these steps, not just putting your home on the market, you're giving it a spotlight in one of the world's most coveted real estate arenas. With the right approach and a bit of patience, you'll be well on your way to making a successful sale. So take a deep breath, team up with a great realtor, and get ready to make your next big move. Look, good luck to a successful sale in the heart of Manhattan. Don't hesitate to reach out. We can make your Manhattan home sale a smashing success. Let's connect and start this exciting chapter in your life. My contact details are on the screen. Talk to you soon. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click onto the boxes on the screen. If you would like to know more about life in Manhattan and how to find your next home in Manhattan, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social to keep yourself updated. Hit the button below if you found this video informative. Once again, I'm Radhika Kapoor, your real estate agent, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.